What's up? How's everybody doing today? It's your man Rod with Foamy City Mobile Detailing down here in the beautiful city of Orlando in Florida. Today we're going to be doing a review on this bright sunny day of a pressure washer gun with the foam cannon. It's from a company called Tool Deli. I checked it out on Amazon. I'm going to put the link below where you can purchase it. It's not too expensive. It costs about 27 bucks. So for less than $30, you can get it right to your front door. So let's go ahead and start unboxing everything so we can see what we have. This is the Tool Deli pressure washer gun with the foam cannon. As previously stated, it did come as a combo deal. It comes in the box together for about 27 bucks on Amazon. So for less than 30 bucks, you can get it right to your front door. So we're going to start to open this up, see everything that's inside. You can see a photo here on the front of the box, pretty much tell you what you're going to be getting. So we're going to unbox everything to make sure, for one, that everything is in there, and two, just to see how good everything is made. It looks like it's made with great quality, so we're going to check this thing out for ourselves. As you can see, we've unboxed everything. Now it's time to inspect each product individually that has come in the box. First, we're taking a look at the pressure wash gun. You'll see me inspect the tip of the gun, the quick connect, and then also the base of the gun where you will connect your pressure wash hose to. It does come with the adapter, as you will see me screw onto the gun in just a moment. As you can see, I'm also checking out the foam cannon lens with the soap tube, and also checking out the head of the lens just to make sure it turns properly. The gun and the lens was made with extreme quality, had pretty good weight to it. I do believe it came with the 1.25 millimeter orifice as well, standard foam cannon bottle. And as you can see, I'm connecting it now just to make sure everything's fitting like it's supposed to. Want to make sure we don't have any hiccups. Even though everything looks like it's the way it's supposed to be, you still always want to check every product that you purchase to make sure it functions the way that it is supposed to, so that way you'll know if you need to do an exchange or return. As I previously stated, I was going to be connecting the adapter. What this does is it helps prevent any leaks and also adjust to the size of the pressure wash hose. So you want to make sure that's nice and snug, so once that pressure builds up, you don't have any leaks at the base of the gun from the pressure wash hose. As you can see, I'm starting to take out the tips as of now. Of course, you got your black, which is going to be your soap tip. You got the white, which is going to be your 40 degree. And then you're also going to have your green, which is going to be your 25 degree. You're going to have your yellow or your orange, depending on the company. That's going to be your 15 degree. And then your red is going to always be your 0 degree. So just wanted to take everything out. Everything looks like it's in great quality, great shape. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to be putting it together all as one product and testing it out. That's going to be in the next video, so I will see you soon. Thank you for watching.